Clearly wanted to talk to us about the problems that he was having.
Eventually, the man in his early 50s backed off the edge, was helped down and taken to the hospital. But police would not say just how the man managed to climb more than 200 feet up. At the Brooklyn Bridge, Jim Smith, WCBS 1880 News.
WCBS News Time 12:07. We'll check the bridges and the roadways, traffic, and weather together coming up.
Right now, the Home Depot has premium hanging baskets of annuals for just $14.98. These patio-ready baskets hold colorful geraniums, New Guinea impatiens, and petunias in a decorative container. So you get easy outdoor beauty that will last all summer long without blowing through your budget. Dig in and save with premium hanging baskets of annuals at just $14.98.